Today we will learn about how to create many tabs in a very simple way. So the traditional way is to click copy, right click sheets and then click copy, and then just click move to end and then create a copy. But this is very time consuming, especially when you want to create a lot of tabs at once. So what you do is you can go to VBA. So what you do is you click alternate and F11. And when you click that, VBA would appear. Then you go to insert, click module, and you put in this code. Okay, and usually you have to change this sheet according to the sheet that you want to multiply. Okay, then you just click F5 to run. Then it will prompt you to enter the number of times to copy this sheet. So for me, I want to have 40. So I click 40. So they are running. It takes quite some time because it's a lot. Now you have 40 sheets coming up at once. So that is how you can add tabs at once. See you.